Tabilaran Traffic. This is Motor Vessels PMI Bohol. Code name 3 November Charlie. Uniform 5. Over.
PMI Bohol, Tagbilaran Traffic. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Motor Vessels PMI Bohol entering your monitoring area. Bound for Tabilaran, Philippines. Over.
Coming from Manila, and how many persons on board and security level?
8 person on board and security level number 1. Over.
Yeah, what is the job today?
My maximum draft is 5.95. Over.
Okay, and your present ETA to Whistler Pilot Station.
My present ETA to Whistler Pilot Station is 1700 local time. Over.
Oh, we'll run on slow, speed to be at 1700 at the outer pilot station.
Yes, sir. That is correct. As per agent, our pilot will be 1700 hotel today. Over.
Yeah, okay. Your report this time would be okay, so have a good watch. Be my ball.
Well understood, sir. I will contact the pilot 2 hours before arrival on Channel 6. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Your report this time would be okay, so have a good watch. Be my ball. Contact the pilot 2 hours before arrival on Channel 06.
Tabilaran Sewer Pilot. This is Motor Vessel PMI Bohol. PMI Bohol.
Whistler Pilot, PMI Bohol, over.
Tabilaran Whistler Pilot. This is Motor Vessel PMI Bohol. Good afternoon, sir. My ETA to pilot station 1700 hours. Local time. Over.
17 hours. Your maximum drop in fresh water, please.
My maximum draft is 9.95. Over.
Okay, Captain, stand by. I will call you back on Channel 11.
Okay, I will stand by Channel 11. Thank you.
PMI Bohol, this is Whistler Pilot, over.
Whistler Pilot. This is PMI Bohol replying.
PMI Bohol, what is your maximum maneuvering speed?
My maximum maneuvering speed 12 knots. Over.
12 knots is all your maximum maneuvering speed, Captain.
Yeah, with the correct we can go more. Over.
Okay, Captain, the pilot on arrival and you advise your freeboard today. How many meters?
I have 3.5 freeboard. Over.
Okay, Captain. Then we don't need pilot ladder. The pilot will come alongside which is on your starboard side.
Okay, no need for pilot ladder. And the pilot boat will come on starboard side. Over.
That's correct.
Third, this is Captain. Prepare the gangway for pilot on board. Over. Pilot boarding on starboard side. No pilot ladder. Over.
Bridge pilot on gangway. Sir. Pilot on board. Bridge, this is a third mate pilot approaching. Overstanding of starboard side. Copy. Pilot boat alongside.
Okay.
Pilot on gangway, sir.
Pilot on plank.
Boat clear tip. Pilot on board.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. What's your speed now?
Pilot wants to know what's our speed now.